In this video, I want to show you how to enable WPS mode on your Brother Work Smart MFC-J1260W. Since this printer doesn't have any display, if you want to connect it to your Wi-Fi network directly, okay, to it without using a phone or a computer, you need to enable WPS, which will mean that once you turn it on, and I'll show you how in just a few seconds, you need to go to your Wi-Fi router and press the WPS button. So you see over here, these are the buttons. Make sure the printer is turned on. And no matter if the Wi-Fi light over here is blinking or staying still, you're going to press 3 times on the Wi-Fi button. 1, 2, 3. It needs to be done quickly, the way I just did. You're going to then notice that the stop button and the Wi-Fi button will both blink at the same time. This means that the printer is now waiting for you to go to your Wi-Fi router, find the WPS button on it and press. Sometimes on some models, you'll have to keep it pressed 2 seconds to enable it. And then the printer will try to connect to your router. So let me go and do it. And when your printer has found your Wi-Fi network, the light above the Wi-Fi button will stay still. As you see, it will stay lit the way it is. It simply means that it's currently connected to it. And you can take your phone or your computer that are connected to your Wi-Fi network, and they will be able to find the printer and print or use the scanner. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.